What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Ikhanic Show. It's your host, Inaam Khan. So after a lot of thought, I've come to the decision, an extremely difficult decision, that I'm going to be ending my YouTube channel for good. Now, this decision was not easy by any means, and it definitely took its toll on me emotionally, but I think it has to be done, and I think I owe it to you guys as my supporters, and you guys have helped me come this far, as to why I'm ending my YouTube channel and actually why I'm ending investing in general. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 reasons why I'm quitting YouTube for good and why I plan to stop investing in Robinhood or Webull or whatever the case is. So first of all, reason number 1 why I'm gonna stop my YouTube channel is that Robinhood investing has become extremely difficult. It's no longer like it was at the height of the pandemic when basically all stonks went up, right? But now with, stocks like Tesla and Neo and Plug Power down almost 30% or more from their all-time highs in February, I just don't know what to do anymore. I think what I plan on doing is I'm just gonna liquidate my $75,000 portfolio. And I don't know, just maybe enjoy life for a bit. I might buy a used Ferrari. I saw a few on Facebook that I might be able to get. So that's what I might end up doing. I'm also going to end up just selling Bitcoin. I bought it at 35,000. I made a decent amount of profit on that. And I might as well just cash in the profits. I don't think it's going to go much higher. And I guess all of this comes at the realization that I don't know as much as I thought I knew about investing. It's definitely not as easy as I thought. And, I just don't want to be responsible for misguiding others. So the second reason why I'm deleting this YouTube channel for good is, well, YouTube is a lot of work, guys. I don't think many people realize the work that it takes behind the scenes of every YouTube video. So first, let me just try to explain what one video entails. So first of all, I gotta plan a topic that people actually want to watch, and many times this means that I have to go keyword researching and just analyze the news and see what people really want to see. And then I gotta script out a video. Along with that, I gotta tape the video, and that's just part of it. The second half is all about editing the video, uploading the video, and creating a thumbnail and a title that people will actually click. And then that's not the end, because once I upload the video, I usually stay online for a few hours just to check up on how the analytics are doing and reply to any comments that come in. All in all, this probably takes up about 10 hours of video, if not more. And as someone who works full-time and has a family and has other commitments, it's just not doable anymore. 10 hours a week on one video, sometimes more, it's stressing me out. And again, I say this with a heavy heart because I know a lot of you guys have supported me so far, and I really do appreciate it. But at some point, I have to choose myself over others. Sometimes you need to know when to pull a plug on something. And some people might consider it quitting, but I think it's also smart. I think it also takes a lot of courage to know when to call it quits. Because you can't keep pushing on an endeavor that's simply not working. And that brings me to my third reason of why I'm quitting my YouTube channel. And that reason is simply, I don't think people want to watch my content. I'll be very honest here. When you have the likes of other YouTubers like Umar Ashraf and Meet Kevin and Graham Stephan, these guys are way smarter than me. They put out much better content than me. Why would you want to watch my YouTube channel, right? And I guess it just took some time for me to get to that conclusion. And there's no way I can match that content quality. And these guys are much smarter than me. Simple as that. Think about it. I've been recording since, October 2020, which is about 5 months. And I'm still not monetized. Yeah, I hit over 1,000 subscribers, but I still have not hit the 4,000 watch hours that's required to get monetized. So yeah, overall, my experience with YouTube has kind of been poor, to say the least, and I wouldn't really recommend you to start a YouTube channel. It's a big commitment, and there's such a small chance of you actually being good at it and becoming successful. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to say, April Fools, you guys are crazy if you think I'm quitting YouTube. Dude, I have so much fun doing this. This was just a joke. Guys, I'm not quitting my YouTube channel. I'm not quitting investing. I have way too much fun doing this. I think people do want to watch it. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched all the way to the end, comment below. Don't say that it was an April Fool's joke, guys. Come on, we gotta have people watching the whole video. But yeah, comment something. Comment, I don't know, so sad, 1, 2, 3, just so I know that you guys actually watched the whole video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to support this channel via the Patreon page. With that being said, guys, aim high, don't be shy, and thanks for watching The Ikhanic Show.